Fitbit Inspire 3 Health Tracker Pricing explained what you get for your money. You won't believe how much functionality Fitbit packed into the Inspire 3, all for around. But what are you really paying for? The Inspire 3 is Fitbit's entry-level health tracker with advanced features. It monitors heart rate, tracks your steps, distance, calories burned, and even your sleep stages. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just a step counter. In reality, it provides insights into your daily activity patterns and overall wellness. For your money, you also get access to Fitbit Premium, which costs extra but offers personalized health metrics, guided programs, workout videos, and advanced sleep analytics. With this, you can see trends over time, get health scores, and even stress management guidance. The tracker itself is lightweight, water-resistant up to 50 meters, and offers a battery life of up to 10 days. That means you can wear it all day and night without constantly recharging. Integration is another big benefit. The Inspire 3 syncs seamlessly with Apple Health, Google Fit, and other fitness apps, allowing you to consolidate your health data in one place. So, what do you get for your money? A reliable, accurate, and easy-to-use health tracker that gives you actionable insights without overwhelming complexity. If you're looking for an affordable way to track your health and fitness trends, the Fitbit Inspire 3 delivers a surprising amount of value for its price.